Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will see Introduction to Python Programming Language. Python is very popular and a high-level programming language used for general purpose. It was developed in 1991 and further advancement was carried out under Python Software Foundation. The language is designed to emphasize code readability and simple English keywords in the syntax. The most interesting part is favor line of codes that allows user to develop the code easily and with better understanding. Python can express the same logic in less number of lines as expressed in C, C++, or any other conventional programming languages. Some of the key aspects of Python are: it is dynamic and interpreted language. That means the code can be executed without pre-compilation. Important elements like data types, variable declaration, function definitions are not required in Python. For example, in C and C++, in order to declare a variable, we also need to mention its type. Suppose we are declaring an integer, we need to write int a equal to 5, where int is the data type. But in Python, we can simply write a equal to 5 without mentioning the type. In case we are declaring a decimal number, we need to write float b equal to 3.2. But in Python, we can simply write b is equal to 3.2 and the interpreter will automatically take care of the data type. Similarly, there is no need to declare function return type. So it is user friendly and hassle free. Python is open source language and free to use even in commercial projects. Thousands of modules and libraries are offered by Python Package Index that makes the language more favorable for the development. We will discuss this package index in details in upcoming session. Let's explore various applications of Python programming language. It is used for web and internet development using Flask and Django framework. In data science, Python is used in data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and their associated operations like image processing. In STEM education, Python is favorite to promote among students to learn the concept of programming. Desktop GUI based software are also developed on Python. Numerous embedded and IoT applications use Python for smart cities projects like smart home, smart bins, smart cars, and many more. Now, let's have some real-time Python projects that are a part of our daily routines, like Google search engine, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, and Dropbox. These projects use Python for various purposes, varying from system administration to data analytics. This tells the versatility of the Python language. According to data collected by various experts from various websites, shows that Python is one of the most popular programming language around the globe. Python beats other conventional languages like Java, C, C Sharp, C++ as per the latest trends shown by few websites. So that's all in this session. See you in the next one. Thank you.